Imagine a device that not only autonomously learns but also comprehends and innovates. Enter the realm of artificial general intelligence, or AGI. This isn't your standard AI, we're talking about a system that is capable of understanding, learning and adapting to any intellectual task that a human being can. It exhibits a level of cognition comparable to that of humans, without the limitation of biological constraints. But AGI transcends the mere execution of coded tasks. Its essence is in the construction of a system that can independently learn and master tasks. It's like a child absorbing knowledge about the world, but it has an insatiable capacity for learning. AGI can learn from experience and amass a general understanding of the world, just like we do. But brace yourself, as AGI is not simply a theoretical concept, it's a budding reality that we are inching towards. AGI holds the potential to outperform humans in most economically valuable work, which could reshape our society in unimaginable ways. The future is now, and it's as awe-inspiring and complex as you'd imagine. So keep your eyes peeled, watch closely as the future unfurls with artificial general intelligence. Short.